In this movie clip, we will look at how to install the API library to your computer. When you go to the CDS homepage, you see a button with the CDS API. When you click here, we go to the page How to use the CDS API. This page explains how to install the API to your computer and how to use it afterwards. To install the API, you need to first log in to the website. Once I am logged in, my API key will appear here. Before you install the API, first you have to copy the text in this box into a file in your home directory. The file will be in the .cds API-rc format. We copy the 2 lines from the website into a text file and save this into the home directory. Here. Now you have a .text file, but you want a .dot file. You can do this by renaming the document and leaving a dot in front and a dot behind. In this way, we have created a .cds API-rc file. The next step is to install your CDS API Python library. For this, we have to go to the command prompt. And here you write pip install CDS API and press enter. Now you have installed the CDS API Python library.